Today, I'm going to answer the famous question: can you make lots of money using TikTok Shop? The answer is both yes and both no. So, most people, what they do is they sign up to like affiliate programs with like HubSpot and Papersoft AI, things like that. And whenever there is a sell, only then you get money. It's not like you can put up as many products as you want and then you'll magically start getting money. No, you have to make good ads, you have to make good videos, you have to make good marketing for it. And if the ad goes viral and people start buying from you, only then if you're doing drop shipping, which is something that I don't recommend, but only if your product is being sold a lot, you'll get commissions from that. Let's say you're selling a product that is of $100 and the commission is 5%. So you get $5 per product sold. So it also depends on how many products you're being able to sell. So yeah, I would say that you can make a lot of money, but you have to be smart because it is kind of saturated at the moment. But if you're smart and if you want to give it a try, then please go ahead. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.